Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, KGFL Creations. My box finally arrived. Yeah, finally it arrived. This box was charged to me on December 15th. Usually she sends out the box at the end of the month, the 28th, 29th, maybe the 30th. But because of the holidays, this box went out of England on the 6th of January. And it arrived here at my house on January 14th, Tuesday, January 14th. Yeah, so almost one whole month, because I get charged on the 15th of the month, almost one whole month until this here arrives. So I am ready to open this. Enough of my complaining, right? Box is very, very light, and I already feel it's completely smushed as usual. So let's open this box. I have not watched any of the other openings because I don't want to see the fabric until I actually open my box. After I open this, I will go and watch if there's any other colorways. I'll do that. So let's start. My scissors, it's a generic box. Look at this. Very generic. This is different, but you know, we throw away the boxes anyway. I mean, I used to keep the box, that pretty box, but the other white one, it's not worth because it's always smushed. So just like this one. Okay, let's see what's inside of this tiny, it's the tiniest little box. Okay, so January, here the first new story, chapter 1. It is a typewriter. This is interesting. I hope, oof, there's a lot of glare. Hope you can see it. No, this way maybe. It's a little typewriter. And as usual, scan this code to get to the ebook. Sewscription box number 35. This month's box contains 2.5 meters and there are 2 colorways. Okay, 2 colorways. Let's see. Let's see what goodies do we have here. The pink little paper. Another pink little paper. Ooh. Ginger nuts. All right. Litchfield. I think it's a brand. Let me take off my glasses. Some little cookies. Here in the US, we call these cookies. Little ginger nuts. These will be good with coffee. There's another little package here. This right here, let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a tea bag. One plant-based tea bag. It's a blend of something. Actually, no, it's not a blend. It's black tea. That's what it says. Black tea. This is a brand, I think, from the UK. Never seen it before, but it's a little package of tea. And this is So Fun nail decals. Huh. This is pretty. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And they're all sewing related. Oh my goodness. If I only did my nails. I don't do my nails at all because as soon as I do it, if I do it today, tomorrow they start coming out. So I rarely do my nails unless if I have somewhere to go, big party or something happening, I will do my nails, but I usually don't. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know. This is interesting. Yeah, but it is really, really pretty. Oh boy. Now let's take a look at the fabric. This is the color of the thread. It is not white. It's like it's like light beige color. It's not yellow, it's a light beige. Very, very light. Creamy, it's a cream color, this right here. Very creamy. Actually a nice pretty color. And the fabric, that's why it's very light. It's light fabric. Last year we received a rib knit in the, well, it was the December, but it was the January. We received it in January. So it was a heavier box. This is very, very light. Oh, there's something else in here that I didn't see. Let me throw away the box. It's a little, the tiniest little scissors. Tiny little thing. This is cute. This is adorable, actually. Now, let's take a look at the fabric. Oh, this is so soft. This is a viscose for sure. Wow. I wonder what is the other colorway. This is pretty. Wow. Big flowers. Let's see if this is see-through. I think it is. A little bit. I can see the camera. I can see the shape of the camera, but that's about it. I don't know if you can see me. But wow. This is nice. This will make a nice blouse. Maybe another Be Mine blouse? I don't know. I don't know. I am going to go and show this to my husband and my daughter, and I'll check the ebook. I'll be right back. Well, I am back. I did go out to show my husband and my daughter this nice, pretty fabric here. And I did check the ebook. And this fabric is a 100% viscose. It feels like viscose. I knew it was a viscose. Very fine, very lightweight. It is 115 grams per square meter. And the width is 142 centimeters. Don't know how much that is in inches. I can do the calculations later. There are two colorways. This colorway here, which is a bit with the brown and cream color. This one here, this is called Bailey's. The other colorway seems to me that the background, that this is a cream. The other one seems a little lighter, like almost a white, almost. It's not bright white, maybe an off-white. With the flowers, like this is a brownish color of flower motif here. That one, it's either black or a dark blue, navy blue. Not sure what it is because the photo is a small photo. My husband thinks it's black. I think it's navy blue, but could be one of the two. I don't know. There's a lot of information here with some patterns to do. I am not sure what I am going to do. This is very light, very, very light. And it's a bit on the see-through. So I think if I make a blouse, I think I can wear it just without anything under. But if it's a skirt, I'm going to have to line this. So I think it might be a blouse. I think so. I don't know if I'll make a dress out of this. I think it's a bit too light for me for a dress, but a blouse will be good. Don't know if my daughter wants it. She didn't say anything when she said, oh, it's nice. It's nice. But it wasn't like the last year when I got the gray fabric that she looked at and she's like, oh, can I get that fabric? She didn't say that, so she's not claiming it. So technically it is mine and I'll make something for me. So hopefully I'll have time to do this and you'll see me in just a little bit. And I am back with my newest make from the fabric of the Think Pink Sewscription box. I think it was box number 35, if I remember correctly. It's been about 2 weeks that I recorded the video of me opening the box. The box came in very, very late, but I decided to make the ballad blouse. This fabric is so nice and flowy, and I've been wanting to make this ballad blouse again. I have made one. Actually, I was wearing the ballad blouse when I was opening the box. I just looked at the video, and that was the video, the blouse that I was wearing was the ballad blouse. So I decided to make a new one. I did it with the shirring up here. That's why I was waiting for a nice and flowy fabric to be able to make this little shirring here. And the flutter sleeves. The back is nice and flowy. This is just really, really pretty. Yeah, I am very, very happy with my new ballad blouse. But there's one thing that's missing. I don't know if you notice. There are no buttons. I still have to go out and buy some buttons. I think I'll buy buttons, brown buttons, to put it up here. But I didn't have time to go out to buy the buttons. So I put safety pins on the inside. Right now, it's okay. I'm just, making the video to show it to you guys. But before I wear it, I will buy the buttons and I will make the buttonholes and put the buttons in. Yeah, but I just didn't have the time to go out and buy the buttons. It's been very, very cold here and I did not want to go out at all to buy any buttons. But I am extremely, extremely happy with my new ballad blouse. Let me lower the camera just a little bit. I know, I think my head might be cut off maybe. Yeah, but you can see all the way to the bottom. It has the little rounded side right here, not too much. Just a little bit right here. Hope you can see it on both sides. And this is so, so flowy. Look at this. Nice and flowy, this blouse. This fabric was very nice to sew with. It did fray just a little bit, not much, just a little bit. And I used a Microtex needle. I think it was a 70, no, an 80-12, Microtex needle 80-12. And I didn't see any pulling or anything. Very, very good fabric, very good fabric. I still have some leftover fabric. Think about a yard of fabric left over because this didn't take much. I mean, this little thing here, this took a little bit because I had to cut a big section so I could do the shirring and then cut the small little section here. But yeah, I think I have about 1 yard left over. I don't know if I can make something out of that 1 yard, or that 1 yard will be left to do pockets or something like that. I am not sure, but I still have some leftover fabric. Yeah, but I am extremely, extremely happy with my fabric from box number 35 from the Think Pink Sewscription box. Thank you, Andrea, for another great fabric. Just want to talk a little bit about the ballad blouse. I'll put a little snippet here of the front cover of this pattern. It is a very good pattern. It has the shirring here. That's what I liked about this blouse. It has the shirring. It also has a version without the shirring, only with the gathers up here. You can gather up here if you don't want to do the shirring. But that's what attracted me to this pattern. It was the shirring up here. It has a yoke here in the back, a back yoke. And it is done, you put them together using the burrito method. Nice and easy, no problem there. The side seams, they are done with French seams. You put them together, wrong sides to wrong sides, 1/4 of an inch, and then you turn, and then you sew right sides with right sides, so it's everything enclosed. That was good because, you know, everything is nicely enclosed. The only thing that I had to serge, it was here where I put the sleeve with the bodice. I did serge here. I didn't want to do the French seam here. I was like, nah, I would just serge it. Up here, this is a whole placket here. Goes all the way to the back. Around the neckline is a little placket where you put the buttons here. When I get my buttons, I will put the buttons up front here. One thing that I forgot to do, and I just remembered when I was almost done with making this whole top here, I forgot to add a label. Yeah, so I am thinking about adding a label to the placket here at the bottom, right here on the inside. I'll put a little label here. I have some small labels that I can add here that they're nice and thin that I can add here to to my shirt. I totally forgot. Just like totally forgot about about adding the label, but you know, it happens. It happens to most of us, I think. We forget to add the label, but yeah, this pattern is a great pattern. I did cut a size extra large for the whole thing. Top here and bottom, extra large for the whole thing. And anything else that I did? I did, I had done it in my first ballad blouse. I did add 1 inch to the length of the flutter sleeve because yeah, I like my sleeves a little bit longer. So I did add 1 inch to this, but that's pretty much it. I don't think I changed anything else. No, I didn't change anything else. I just added the length to the sleeves and that was it. And I am extremely happy. So now I need to get another nice and flowy fabric so I can make another one. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I have finished the garment for the fabric Wheel of Fate, and that video will be coming out Friday. So stay tuned for that video. You're gonna see the first garment for the fabric Wheel of Fate. If you liked this video, please hit that like button below. And if you can also subscribe, it will mean a lot to me. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I will see you on my next one. Bye.